Welcome to 800 Divorce by My Legal Coach. Divorce in 10 steps. Step 1. Meet the residency requirements. Before filing for divorce in California, one of the spouses must have been a resident of the state for at least 6 months and a resident of the county where they plan to file for divorce for at least 3 months. Step 2. Answer a few questions on our legal portal. Step 3. Review California completed forms. We will send over the necessary divorce forms for California courts, already completed for you with the information you have been provided in the interview. The forms you need may depend on your specific circumstances, such as if you have children or if you own property together. The forms typically include the petition, summons, and various financial disclosure forms. Step 4. File the divorce papers. You will file the completed divorce forms with the clerk of the court in the county where you or your spouse reside. You will need to pay a filing fee, but you may be eligible for a fee waiver if you have a low income. Note that once filed, certain protective orders are issued regarding insurance, estate plans, traveling with children, and bank accounts. Step 5. Serve the other spouse. Serve the divorce paper, including financial disclosure, on your spouse. This can be done by personal service, having a process server or sheriff deliver the papers, or by mail. Your spouse will need to sign a document acknowledging receipt of the papers. Any third party over the age of 18 is eligible to serve if they are not a party to the action. Step 6. Wait for response. Your spouse has 30 days to respond to the divorce papers. If they fail to respond, you can file for a default judgment. Step 7. Prepare a settlement agreement. If you and your spouse are in agreement on all issues, you will need to prepare a settlement agreement. This agreement should outline how you will divide your property, debts, spousal support, child custody arrangements, and attorney's fees if applicable. Step 8. File the settlement agreement. File the settlement agreement with the court, along with any other required forms. Both you and your spouse will need to sign the agreement in front of a notary public. Step 9. The final decree. The judge will review your agreement and issue a final divorce decree. You will then receive the final divorce decree. Step 10. Obtain a court-stamped copy of your final decree. Once the final divorce decree is issued, the divorce is final. Make sure to obtain a copy of the decree from the court clerk. And that's it. You've done all you have needed to do in order to start, complete, and finalize your divorce in California.